The government gave them $700 billion. Okay, stop what you're doing right now. Picture this. It's Monday morning, your alarm goes off at 7 a.m. You drag yourself to work. 8 hours meetings. A sad desk lunch, the usual. You come home exhausted. Check your bank account. $1,247. Okay, not bad. You worked hard for that. Now let's check your bank's quarterly earnings report. $14.8 billion in profit this quarter alone.
What?
$14.8 billion.
How?
Oh, buddy, come here. Because here's the thing, nobody tells you in school, in college, or at any point in your entire adult life. The bank is not your friend. The bank is not your enemy either. The bank is a machine, a beautifully engineered, legally protected, government-backed money machine. And you're the fuel. Let me explain exactly how this works. So back in the old days, people kept their money at home. Under mattresses, in jars, buried in the backyard, safe places.
Seems reasonable.
Yeah, but then robbers would break in and steal everything.
That's not good.
Exactly, so someone had a brilliant idea.
What was it?
What if we created a special building with a vault, hired guards, and let people store their money there for safekeeping?
That's genius.
I know, right? We'll call it a bank.
So you'll just keep our money safe?
Yep, that's it. Nothing else. Totally free service. We're just nice guys.
Really?
No, we're going to use your money to make more money and keep most of it. Here's the thing about banks that nobody really explains to you. When you deposit $1,000 in your savings account, the bank doesn't just put it in a vault and guard it like a dragon hoarding gold.
They don't?
Nope. They take that $1,000 and immediately lend it to someone else.
But that's my money.
Not anymore, baby. Now it's their money, making us money. Let me break this down. You put in $1,000, the bank pays you like 0.5% interest. That's $5 a year.
Wow, I'm rich.
Hold on. The bank then loans your $1,000 to someone else at 7% interest. That's $70 a year.
So they make $70 and I make $5?
You're learning.
But they're using my money.
Welcome to banking. Now, let's talk about credit cards, because this is where banks really show their genius. They send you a piece of plastic in the mail and say, hey, want free money?
Free money? Yes.
Great. Just use this card and pay us back later.
Sounds great. What's the catch?
Oh, just a small 24.99% APR if you don't pay in full.
What does that mean?
It means if you borrow $1,000 and don't pay it back immediately, you'll owe us $250 extra every year.
What?
Oh, and if you're late on a payment, that's a $35 fee.
For what?
For being late, duh.
And if I go over my limit?
Another $35 fee. No, this is business. And the beautiful part, people actually do this. Americans owe over $1 trillion in credit card debt.
That's insane.
That's profitable. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about mortgages, because this is my personal favorite. You want to buy a house, right?
Right.
But houses cost like $400,000 and you don't have $400,000.
Correct.
No problem. The bank will lend you $400,000.
Really? That's so generous.
Oh, you sweet summer child. Here's what they don't tell you up front. You borrow $400,000 at 7% interest over 30 years.
Okay.
By the time you're done paying it back, you'll have paid the bank $958,000.
Wait, what?
You're buying the house twice. Once for yourself, once for the bank.
That can't be legal.
It's perfectly legal. It's called compound interest, baby. And here's the kicker. For the first 10 years, you're basically just paying interest. You barely touch the principal.
So, I'm paying rent to own something?
Now you're getting it. Let me tell you about my favorite bank trick, overdraft fees. You've got $50 in your account. You buy a coffee for $5.
Okay, now I have $45.
Wrong! You have $10.
How?
Well, there was a charge from 3 days ago that just cleared for $45.
But my app said I had $50.
Yeah, but that charge was pending. Now you're overdrawn by 50 cents, sis.
Okay, so I owe you 50 cents?
No, you owe us $35.50.
For 50 cents?
Overdraft fee. And oh, look, now your coffee payment bounced. That's another $35 fee.
This is insane.
This is America. Fun fact, banks make about $15 billion per year from overdraft fees alone. Now here's where it gets really good. Remember 2008 when the banks made really stupid bets and lost trillions of dollars?
Yeah, that was bad.
You know what happened to them?
They learned their lesson?
No, the government gave them $700 billion.
What?
Taxpayer money, your money to bail out the banks.
Why would they do that?
Because the banks are too big to fail. If they go down, the whole economy goes down.
So let me get this straight.
Go ahead.
When I fail to pay my bills, I lose my house. When banks fail to pay their bills, they get $1 billion rescue package?
Now you're thinking like a banker. And the best part, after getting bailed out, those same banks paid their executives $32 billion in bonuses
For failing.
for being important. Let's talk about savings accounts. You know, the thing that's supposed to save money? Your savings account pays you 0.5% interest.
Better than nothing.
Is it though? Inflation is at 3.5%. So your money is losing value by sitting in the bank.
Wait, what?
Your $1,000 today will only buy you $965 worth of stuff next year.
So I'm losing money by saving it?
Exactly. Meanwhile, the bank is using your $1,000 to make 7% by lending it out.
Wait a minute. So the bank wins while I lose.
Bingo! You know what's hilarious? Bank contracts.
Why?
Because nobody reads them. That credit card agreement you signed, it's 30 pages long.
Who has time for that?
Exactly, that's the point. Hidden in there are annual fees, foreign transaction fees, balance transfer fees, cash advance fees, which is insane because you're withdrawing your own money, inactivity fees, paper statement fees, account maintenance fees.
Fees for everything.
Welcome to banking. And let's not forget about credit scores. The bank's created a magical number that controls your entire financial life.
What's a good score?
800.
How do I get that?
Well, you need to borrow money and pay it back on time.
But I don't want to borrow money.
Then you'll have no credit history and nobody will lend to you.
But you just said borrowing is bad.
It is, but also you need to do it to prove you're responsible.
This makes no sense.
It makes perfect sense for the banks. Here's the secret sauce. They make money when you succeed. You deposit money, they lend it out and make interest. You pay your bills on time, they collect interest. They make money when you fail. Late payment fee, overdraft fee, miss a payment fee, and higher interest rate. They make money when the economy is good, more people borrowing money, more investments paying off. They make money when the economy is bad, government bailouts, higher fees because times are tough, foreclosures, they get the house, and all the payments you made.
So they literally can't lose.
Now you get it. It's like playing poker, except the bank is the dealer. The bank makes the rules. The bank can change the rules mid-game. If you win, the bank takes a percentage. If you lose, you owe the bank. If the bank loses, the government gives them more chips. So here's the truth. Are banks evil? No.